almost on, Seb. It's almost on. Give me a couple of minutes. Hey, Lodi. Mom. Okay, and not, at least not for a couple of hours. Come on. I'm so complaining to Grumpy about that. How's the music? Is it too loud? Can you understand me normally? Because my voice is also still... I think I left it in the bed. Didn't wake up with me. Okay. Okay. All right, let's change the scene. Hey. Okay. So, I have my screen. What do we start with? Prism Launcher, because it's much easier, maybe. So let's get it clear. Why I'm doing this is mostly for the folks from the Foolish Craft server, right? And everybody that can benefit from it. I'm not going to do something crazy. I never do complicated stuff. If they're complicated, I find a way to make them easy, or I don't do them at all. Okay, that's how it functions. So, hey feed. So let's go through the Prism Launcher first, because it's pretty quick and pretty easy. Yes, Seb? Really? Not anymore, at least. Alright? Yeah. Alright, let's start the launcher. You'll see my... how it looks like here. I also took the time to put some... This is my... the server that I play with my girlfriend. And stuff like that. So I took the time to make some... we built badly. That's with DP and Grumpy. And yeah, Foolish Craft. So we'll basically do the same thing as this one, right? So you install the launcher, that's pretty easy, just install it, and then you have this but empty, right? Same thing. Go to add instance, and then you pick the version that you want. We need the latest one, because Foolish Craft admins and mods are the best, so we have the last one. There is some other stuff here. That's not what we want, because they're pre-configured, and we'll go and promote. So custom. Those are the releases. You can have only snapshots if you want to test something that is still not... You know what snapshots are, I hope. So mod loaders, right? You can do it directly from here. We need fabric. Always pick the latest one. Doesn't really, I mean, as long as you don't get the oldest one, should work. Well, the new one also works. Always, I think. Never had a problem with that, at least. So we have those two. There is another way for the mod loader. If you forgot about it, you can do it later. Show you where. Let's go for none. Okay. So we pick just the version here. Go with OK. So we have our instance. Right. If you go to edit, it's a bit, what I don't like is the menu that you're gonna use is always right and then left and then right and then left and then right and then left. But maybe there isn't a better way. So we go to versions, we are already here, and here you have some stuff. Install loader. Here you can pick your fabric loader if you forgot to do it at the beginning. Just click OK. Again, install, go to fabric, get the newest version, click OK. That's it. You don't need to download the loader from internet, install it, and yeah, just that. So this is already saving you like 10 minutes if you're using Prism Launcher and not the original Minecraft launcher. It's a big difference. So I'm not your mom. I mean, yeah, she told the same to me, Grumps. I think it's just not her day. It will get better. I'm sure it always does. Then you go to mods. So you have two options. Let me get some stuff from my other screen. So I prepared some stuff. Alright. Right, I don't see the stream now. You can do it manually if you know which mods you need. Or you can use a zip prepared from your mods. Or somebody else on the server that already got it running. I don't know, I have two of those. Let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, I know why. Okay, they send us this. This one. So this is prepared also for Mac users. And, okay, the other one was with the Mac users. I guess let's put that here. Right. So this was prepared for everybody. I guess, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, one was for everybody. So you need the one that, yeah. I'm a Windows user, so black, yellow, more streams, offline banner. Oh yeah, I never really looked into that. That's the without the one, and this is the one with the one. Status fabric. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. This is just the status in the voice chat. No idea what I did there. Alright, let's put that. Minecraft. That's not it. I don't know what I put there. Anyways, those are the mods that you need. Oh, I know what happened. Right. They did it really the professional way. Okay. So you can do this then. How do you do that? That's the export thing. Basically, if I want you to, if I want to prepare a ready instance for you, I export it like that, right? And just get it. But if you just get the mods, are those in? Let's extract this one. Exactly, that fits. I can't keep up with the chat. This really feels because blah blah blah. Personality. Mommy issues. Yeah. Alright, right. So that was our instance. If you press F2 or just right click it, you can rename it. Foolish test. It's a foolish test. Edit. Go to the mods. You can open the folder from here. right? And it will be empty. So what you need to do, find your mods. Of course, I unzipped the wrong one, I guess. Did I? Yeah, I did. Let's unzip this one too. Find the mods. Those are, I don't know what that is. Entity features, fabric, free cam. I think that's mine. Huh? Yeah, those are my mods. It works the same way. You copy them, right, and you paste them here. And if everything's right, you should be ready to go. Okay. They're all here. You can see them. So what you can do is check for updates. It always checks for the version that you have. Even if I want to download something, it will only show it to me. Let's say Syncmatica. I'll do it. Type that. Actually, it won't show because it's not updated. What I also have is a resource pack. Oop, the fresh animations. So now this resource pack needs mods. Let's install this first. Select resource pack for download. All right. So you can also add more of those, all of them that you need. And when you're done with that, just click review and confirm. You see the list of everything that you chose. Click OK, it installs it. It won't work though if you don't have those two. Those are, can I make it bigger somehow? Okay, it's entity model textures and entity, I don't know, something. All right, here, features and texture features. Some mods need support mods, like let's say this one. This works for a couple of mods that are here actually. I have extras like greasy sodium options. This gives me another menu. This one makes it much easier for my computer to run, right? And stuff like that. You don't need those though. It's always good to have them. I'm going nowhere without Bobby. This also helps the server because this allows the mods to make it, let's say, just the rendering distance like 10, and it runs pretty, makes a big difference on how heavy the server runs. But you'll be able to see 60 chunks if you want. Once you loaded it, your computer will show them to you the whole time, which is pretty great. So what I do is I put everything there first and then I launch it. If it doesn't work, it actually says me the console what the problem is. Like here, when it stops, we'll see what will happen. If it works, I'm gonna break it. Now nothing's happening. Oh yeah, it goes, okay. We're gonna disable something, so you see the error and it really tells you do this. You have this installed and you need this and this, or this is missing, or you have the wrong version, or which will never happen if you
press enter to enable the narrator.
Yeah. Okay, that's loud. So it works, right? If we remove that one, yes, let's stop it. Try to launch it. Let's see what will happen. It's just support mode. I don't know if you go without it. Shouldn't, actually. I don't see the chat here. Oh, it worked. So mods won't work in this case. What can we stop? Maybe those two? No, this is also for a data pack. Maybe. I think they made it so easier for client side that I can't really break it. Yeah, but basically that's it. You put the mods there, you install your loader, Fabric in our case, most cases, because fabric's the best. And that's it. And then you're good to go. And then you can make it fancy by change icon. So I have it already here, right? But if you go here and then desktop and you choose your one, right? And okay, and it will appear somewhere here, right there. Click OK, and then you have it pretty fancy. And that's it with the Prism Launcher. So you can set up an instance for maximum 10 minutes, saving a lot of time and headaches, right? Hey Count, the band just walked past and heard you and instantly asked, are you watching Doc? Well, I don't think I have that German accent, to be honest. But yeah, one of your favorite mods and why? Oh well, I like my mods. Mod menu, very important mod. Very important mod. Yeah, I wanna delete it. I already have one. I can show you what I have. That was there. I don't know what that is. Poetic is doing magics that I never heard of. This one, very important. But if you get a ready folder, it will be there. If not, you need to install it. For every fabric mod, you need that. That's it's like the bridge, okay, between the normal Minecraft and the fabric stuff. It helps the mods to work with the Minecraft. So free cam, that's the cheaty cam. Gamma Utilis is what I use when we're in the nether or in a cave for the viewers to see better. So otherwise it's not watchable. Imagine a whole stream or a video in a cave. No one is gonna watch that. No one will be able to see that. Simple Fog, Beatups uses it. I'm pretty sure you've noticed. Cool stuff. It makes Minecraft look really, really great. And then not much. Should be mod menu somewhere here. As I said, it's really here. Really important. This allows you to set up the other mods, because not all of them have a button in the GUI. Yeah, caving, nether also. And it's just a press. I think there are I think of 100%, 150 to 1000. You just press G until you get it as light as you want, and then it turns off again. It's the same button. You can change the hotkey again with the mod menu. I can show you how that looks. Actually, wow, I feel so sleepy, dudes. And I need to remove my beer because I can't even drink my coffee properly. Ugh. I need to work out FreeCam, just something. FreeCam's great. Even more when you are doing test builds on creative, you can put a cam somewhere a little bit far away and then save it there. So with one click you go back, you do what I do. When you press the button, it goes automatically there for you to see it from a distance how it looks. It's nice. And you can configure. I think that's one of the mods that you can actually do from the keybinds. Pretty normal by miscellaneous. Here, cinematic camera. No, it's not that. Maybe it has its own one. I have almost all the mods by at the right side, stuff that I never use. Axiom free cam. Yeah. See, that's the tripod. You just set up a button for there, go with the camera there, press it, and then you can switch between you and the camera the whole time. It's pretty cool. So that's the Gamma Utilis. Utilis? I don't know how to say that. So G is for me. You can just press H. It doesn't change the gamma, basically. It's a lot. You can do a lot of stuff. Yeah, mod menu. So here is everything. Bobby, for example, or the clouds. You can think of that just from here, only from here, right? That's the Bobby mods. That's the, where is the simple fog, right? Where it starts, where it ends. So you can play with it, how it looks. But if you make a big big distance between the start and the end, it will go pretty smoothly. I think it's great. So, all right. I think we covered that pretty quick. Now comes the real deal. We can delete all that. Actually, hey John. Blockbench. Now comes the real headache. So that's the main page. The first thing that you're gonna see. We need a block item for Java. They did some changes. Not the last update, the one before that. And at the beginning, if you already have something and need to change it, it looks like, oh no. But they made it much more easier to use. So you need one more file, but really short, a couple of lines. And that's it. On the Foolish Craft server, Boeric did a great, crazy magic. He can actually upload the models, the new models, directly from here when they're done. So all the work is done automatically. Pretty cool. So create a new model. So you face this, you can give it a name. Don't use any capital letters, right? Keep it simple as you can. So let's do something simple first, like Lottie, what signs do we need? Train station, school, and saloon. Let's go to saloon. Right? With left click, you can do this. With the right click, you can move like this. And with the scroll button, you can go closer. See? Alright. So we go to the plus here, add cube. And we have our first cube. Which will be everything that we need for a sign. So you can use the hotkeys. It will save you a lot of time and clicking, but this is how you change what you do with your cube. Right now we need to move it, so we are on the right place. Let's move it in the middle, maybe a bit up, so we have space. Now we need to make it flat, so we go to resize. The same with move, it goes block by block, but if you press Ctrl and keep it, you can do much smaller movements. Okay, so resize, and we can just do it like that. Right? Oh, do this side, do this side, something like this. Alright, so there is no texture over it. You have a couple of options. You can go to paint and just paint on it. We need a texture though. No, that's important. I wanna texture stuff. The group, paintbrush. I don't want to import anything. Leave me alone. So you can paint on it. I don't know why I can't paint on it. What did I do wrong now? I need a texture here. Oh, create texture. I mean, yeah. So fine. We're gonna delete that. But give it a name again. Don't use capitals. Don't use anything crazy. Confirm. And now you can paint directly here. Okay, or here. It gives you different colors, so you know blue is this one, yellow is this one, green is this side, red is this side, right? All different colors. So you can do it like that. But that's not what we are gonna do. I'm gonna delete that. Can you make flat sign with an imported image? Yes, we're gonna do that right now. For example, could you make a billboard with the Foolish Craft logo on it? Yep. We're gonna do something else. Let's open Canva. I should have the signs somewhere. Let's make a new one. Create a design. Custom size. Here we go. So, make it a bit smaller. What do we need? Those are the stuff that I tried for the logo. Let's say background. Let's change the color first to something that we like, something more cute, like something like that. No, a bit more. It's too intense. This is ugly enough, I guess. Right? So you're doing something for a Western city, it should be kind of worn out, or how's that called? So let's see, wooden texture. I already searched for that. So we need the graphics. Photos won't work. CO graphics, choose one. Let's say this one. So you can make it bigger, but it won't look nice, I think. Maybe attach it to here. Where is the middle? Here. We're gonna some transparency on it, like that. So it was painted over, but you can still see the stripes, right? And now copy, paste. Don't go crazy. It doesn't have to be really perfectly fitting. Actually, we can just do this. Move it a bit on the side so it won't be the same. So we have the board. Right, now we need the text. Let's go with Western. Let's type something first. Saloon. Make it bigger. Should we curve it a little bit? A little bit? Like that. Alright. Make it bigger. Actually, the size will change when we try different fonts, but you can go with Western. And it gives you a lot. Like that. Or this one. That one is not bad. Actually, if we kill it a little bit, right? And change the color to red, so it will fit the building. Is it too cute? That's too much. Maybe even a bit darker. Something like that. Something like this. What do you think? Now we just need some, let's put some points. Make it looks good. Okay. That's too small. You can see it over here. So now let's change the color to something brownish. Something like that. Right. Like this. So, but it's still like very, very empty. Let's go with frame. See, I search for frame cowboy. What will? Not really. No cowboy. Just frame. Maybe vintage frame will actually. Wait. Will give us more. Yeah, like that one. Would that fit though? Actually fit perfectly. So, there are also hotkeys for that, but I can't show you. So we're gonna click right. And then layer. You can tell this. Imagine this is not like that, it's like that. So where the stuff is staying, right? So I can send it backwards. It's now behind the buttons. But if I continue to do that, you see now it goes behind the letters, right? But we are gonna just shrink that a little bit to fit in. Now we need to change the color of this. Should we make it this? Yeah. Right? Now I'm thinking if we get all this and put it to the no. Wait. I want the wooden stuff to be at the front of everything. Press shift, pick a line here, so we'll get nothing else, and we can move it at the front. Now I need to get that dude somehow. Go back. Alright. Come here. Not you. You. Ugh. Sometimes difficult. Put that back. I can't get it from here. That's pretty annoying. But I can get it from here. No. No. There is another trick we could use actually. So we have that one. How do we have it from here, not from there? I don't get that. You go back there. We're just gonna remove those for now. Are we? Someone in the chat, can you hear and see stuff? I don't know what happened. My router was saying everything's okay, but everything else disconnected. Is there anybody here? Can you hear me? Can you see my screen? Oh, I can see, but buffering went mad for a moment. Yeah, something happened. Also, Canva said I don't have internet. But now it says you're back online. Okay. So we can, sometimes I go in crazy mood and I can drink something like this for hours. But I think we're good enough. It wasn't your feed, it was my internet. It was me. So now we need to export that by download. Just as it is, I guess. Download it. Cut. Let's put it here. Paste. Right. Open Blockbench again. So now, what Grumpy asked. Go to import texture. Get the saloon sign. Right. So you see what I said. It has capital letters and stuff like that. So let's delete that. We can rename it also from here, but I like to saloon to change the real files. And now it should be okay. If there is if you accept something like that and it's still not fine, there will be a message down here it will say there is stuff that you need to change, otherwise it won't work. Right? But for now we are fine. So you can literally drag it over. I think we need to get back here. Yeah, okay. That's definitely not working for us. Why is that size? I gave a completely different... Alright. Just from a corner to your model, right? And then we have it. So, because I'm lazy, I could put some different colors here, but what I do is just this. Because you can't really see a thing, right? Let's say something spilled some... You can leave the back like this, you can do it like that, it doesn't matter, because... Very simple. This will be on a wall, so nobody is gonna see it. So, that's it. That's the sign, that's the model. Again, you can paint it here, but go to display. So what we need is an item frame, right? We're not gonna hold it in our hand. We're not gonna do stuff like that. So, you can move it like this and resize it like this. That's everything now. But you can also do this. Alright. So let's go crazy. It's not that big, is it? We need to resize it more. Let's move it. You can rotate it. Well, I guess I had to make it bigger from the beginning when we started the model, right? This one. All right. So move up, right, scale. I can't. Yeah, that was a mistake from the beginning. Let's make a new one. Java block model. Saloon. So it won't be the same. Texture size. Let's make it ideas. 128. 128. Will that change it? Move. 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 Go close. Make it smaller. Like that. And now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we could actually edit the other one this way, but let's go to display first and see how it looks. Move it. Why are you over there? Come here. What happens if we scale it? Yeah, much bigger. Much bigger. So that's the way. Can we edit that? I don't think I've ever done that. Resize. That did. Like a lot. Something like this. Will that change it? Yeah, it changed a little bit, didn't it? So. We need to... Oh, yeah. And the other one? It's the same, isn't it? So, if we want it even bigger, need to click on it first. 5. Something like that. And here we go. So you can always fix it even later. That's it. That goes to an item frame. You can of course go to here, look how it looks in the hand, or left hand, right hand, head, right? That's how we make the hats and everything. Alright. Then you put it in the right place. Well, I had my first major loss, and then you said, what did you do? What did you lose? Why did you die? So, let's say we are done here. We go to export model as a block item model. Alright. Already has it. Click save. And then, my dudes, you give it to your admin. Everything's over here. So all they need to do is set the proper paths for the texture, right? And everything. So you give them those two files. And they know what to do with them. That's it, basically. Yeah, can you blame me? Kind of used to it. You fell in the nether. Oh. Oh, what did you lose? What did you have? Okay. So, huts, a bit more tricky. Feed me hut. I don't know if you're supposed to have. Let's just leave it like that. Confirm. So, if you are like me and you can't really imagine the thing that you want to do, this is your best friend. Pinterest, Minecraft, cowboy hat, right? Maybe model. Basically find some internet just for the shape. There are no models here. Oh, is that solidarity, right? Minecraft solidarity. You had a hat. Yeah. There is a hat. The bundle. Full diamond gear. You can buy those from villagers. Full pickaxe is safe. That's the first thing I lost. Actually. So. Feed me's hat. We'll need more cubes here, right? I think that's clear. So. Let's start with the base. I'll make it smaller, but not too small, I guess. It's like 1-2 pixels. Maybe. A bit more. We need enough space to texture it later. So we could make it a bit bigger. Oop. Is that fine? I think that should be good. Let's go to the display. The person had. Alright, let's see. Scale. Make it bigger. Right. I think that should be fine. Because we are also gonna go like this. I have my camera turned off. There we go. It's still a bit off. Center like this. So we are also going like that and like this. So the size should be okay, I guess. Super size, it's as big as a sombrero. So we get another cube. Come here. And we shrink it. Right. We need to rotate it also. Rotation is very ugly here. It's very bad. maybe like this. Yeah, I guess. And then let's move it. You see, the movement is not, you are kind of limited from movements. And if I try to copy it on the other side, it won't really work. I mean, not every time. That should be fine. Let's make it like that. Let's move it a bit more. You see, I can't move it this way now. And then down. Something like this. So if I try to copy paste it, maybe there is a way that I don't know, but ugh. See, not the same. It's not the same. Need to move it. It's like fit perfectly here, but not here. I see that. Come on. Well, that's all we have. So we make another cube. Resize, let's say. Feed. Could you tell me how we want this to look actually? Let's go a bit more to the inside of it. Like that. A bit more. Oh. I imagine there will be another one here and another one here, and they will form the upper part. I don't know how that's called. Reference. Yeah, okay. Find references. I found this one. I found this one from Solidarity. It's really, really like close to what we have on the good, the bad, the ugly, isn't it? Yeah. That works for you. So we can copy paste this one. Yeah, it is. So let's get both of them with shift and move them a little bit to the middle. Is that centered? No, I don't think so. Now it is. Alright, so copy paste this one, move it here, and we can shrink just that one a little bit, like this. What do you think? Looks like a cowboy hat to me. Not that bad. I'm waiting for... It does. Yeah. I'm waiting for reference. I guess you're gonna send it to me on Discord, won't you? So we have a base. We can change stuff from now on. Yeah, I mean, it looks the same, but if you think about it, how is it supposed to look? It's a cowboy hat. How do you imagine it from colors and so? Ugh. We could make it like, you know, the Amish people and put some crazy deco around it. I don't want to make a feather or something, but put some like flowers and stuff like that. You're not the flower type, are you? Tell me when you send it, because I'm not looking on Discord. Oh, you did, okay. Oh, that's one so cursed. Okay. Alright. We can do that. We can do this. Let me save it on the desktop. Right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you what feed sent to me. Right. Shrink that a little bit and move it on the other screen so I can watch. Not super flowery now, but it can be just. Hey. Right. That means we need to shrink those a little bit more, make them a bit smaller, and if I rotate them. Wait, whoa. You see? I hate that. Like that, and then move it. I guess that should do it. So let's delete that one. Paste it, move it here, rotate it the other way, then move it. Huh. I don't like it. And it's also like, it's a crazy head. Where did you find that? Alright. Something like this. Now we need another thing that we can Google. Okay. Let's make that a bit smaller. Rotate it to this size. Move it down. I need to see straight from here. Okay. Okay. Make it a bit bigger. Does that look good? I think it's fine. This is also a bit smaller, right? They went the extra mile here with this head. Okay. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like it? Should I continue and do it on the other side? Let me show you how it looks. I need to rotate it again. Whoop! I pressed something. I don't want to do that. Where am I? Edit. Okay. Boy, oh boy. Looks great. Okay. There is a gap here. I think it's okay. It's Minecrafty enough. Alright, so let's make that thing a bit smaller. This one is the last one, remember that. Probably gonna need it later. Now, those... Let's shrink them a little bit first. Because rotation with this size won't work. There will be a gap. So they're like this, aren't they? See what I mean? This will be hidden actually in your head anyways, but in order to do that I need to move them like this. Hi Grump, see you later. You know what I mean? Gonna just copy that. That is not that huge of a problem as long as it's hidden in your head. We're gonna test it on the display anyways, so... just... Oh my god, I hate the rotation thing. bit more. See, they're not even the same when you rotate them. Stupid is that? Move them so they will meet in the middle. Actually, I got it from here. You didn't need to remember that. So let's click somewhere else. We can though move them a little bit on the sides and make them a bit bigger because it's too low, kind of, isn't it? Like that. So we need to make that guy bigger too. What do you think from the size of it? It should be fine, right? Yes? Or should I make it even more higher? But did you go too pointy if I make it bigger than that? If you know what I mean. Let's see how it looks with this. No. If we just move it a little bit, shows a little bit, isn't it? So we can shrink them from this side. Like that. Okay. Gone. What do you think? We can also tilt it a little bit. Oh, you like it? Okay, that's good. So we go to the paint. No, we're still not done. We need some stuff here. Let's just make a new cube for that. Here we go. Impressive is a word for this, yes, but if you think what I didn't do much, did I? Just making blocks, made them the right size. Just rotate them and using a lot of control. I mean the key. And that's it. Let's do that, dude. We can make it different, like it doesn't have to be like here. Just tell me what you want. Whoop. Now comes the rotation, my favorite part. Alright. Wasn't that bad. It's the same colors. Oh, we need to shrink that, dude. I forgot about that. Go back. Yeah. And here also. Hide yourself. Move. Oof. I hate that. No. No. Oh, I need the green one. Oh yeah. So we're kind of, let's make it like this. And like this. Somewhat in the middle. Okay. Should we make a small belt? Oh, we can't do it like here. Well, maybe we can try. Should I make a belt? But it will be odd. It will be kind of odd. Not sure. What we could do is we could make this part smaller. I think it is smaller on the image that you told me. It goes up directly from here. Right? Let's do that. Let's try it. Like this. And then this. Can I go one more? It's not even the same. Shift it. And and then move it. Shift both of them and then move it. I don't like that. Right, let's see how that looks. It's too tiny. Which one was better? Maybe somewhere in the middle. Like that. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think there is a difference in the heads, just in the head of the character. I think the difference is just the body. Something like that. Me neither, actually. Let's see how that looks. That's not bad. There's a little bit of a devil vibe on it, to be honest. Do you like it like this, or should I make it bigger on this side as it was? I think that's the best until now. What do you think? That's not even in the middle, is it? Devil vibe. You know, with the horns. Look at that. Oh yeah. Is that in the middle now? No, still not. It's not. There is no middle. There is no middle. Okay. Let's go to the paint section. And now it goes tricky because I really don't have talent for that. But there is no center really. Look at that. It's the rotation thing. If you don't have to rotate things and make them diagonally, everything is perfect, like perfect. But if you start rotating stuff, that's it. There should be a way around it. People that work with that probably know it. I don't know it. Okay. Let's make a texture. Let's try to do it the easy way. Brown. Brown's fine enough. So let's put it on. I think if you put it like this, it goes just for the side. But if you shift it, it goes all over the place. I don't know why it didn't went here though. See? Interesting. Maybe it's just a visual bug. So if we try to paint over here, oh, it paints the whole thing. We don't want that. Pixel brush is what we want. Hey! I mean, we can always make the textures again on the... Why you? Dude? Why you? Interesting. That's because I shifted, I'm pretty sure. Let's remove that. So, brown. Blank brown. I don't know why it is doing this. Which one is that one? Let's go back. This one is this one. Those are... So I probably some kind of selected all of them. So let's go back. I don't want to texture here. Let's untexture them. Paint. So we want textures just for that dude. Okay, texture. One. It gets here. Why does it get over here? My dude. Why is the it takes all of them. Hey, look. How are you doing, mate? Fighting with the texturing this thing. I'll be fine if it does it all of the thing, but not with that one. I want that one to be different. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove that dude, right? So you can't do it anymore, and later we'll add it when we are done with the rest. So, Pixel perfect brush, smooth brush. What's that? Yeah, let's do this then. What's the difference? Rude. What's rude? Oh, hey, mate. Oh, yeah, okay. I would never guess that. Interesting. Both and both. Let's go with both. Oh, I know what was rude. Me removing that dude, right? Yeah. Well, it was rude to me. $16 by $16. That is the problem, isn't it? What happens if I change stuff here now? Should we try? Let's go with 32. Confirm. Did it change something? Oh, it changed a lot. Oh, it changed a lot. Look at that now. Let's go 128. 128 and confirm. And now we are playing, dudes. What I have is this. That is a custom model for Minecraft. It's supposed to be a cowboy hat. I removed one part because for some reason if I put a texture here, it reads it also here. I don't know why. Not a profi. So let's go. Alright, you know what? Let's put that texture everywhere first. Everywhere. Why is it not going everywhere? This will be the main color anyways, and then we're gonna texture it. Here we go. See, it doesn't take it. Can we paint on it though? Wait, let's go black. I want a pixel brush. Like small pixels. Why is it taking the whole thing? Unset, circle, no, squares, fine. Paint bucket, we don't know, we don't want. Select 2. We're just gonna take that. Wait, let me pick that color. Alright. And I'll just paint the whole thing. So, and then with a pixel brush. With a pixel brush. I can't select the pixel brush. Oh, harder? What? What did I do? Did I say something that I wasn't supposed to say? What happened? Messy on the back. What are you on about? So let's go a bit lighter and see what happens if we do. Ooh, I don't like that. You only apply the texture to one object, not the entire HUD. Oh, did I? Did I? No, I applied the same texture on all of the blocks, all of the cubes. That's what I did. So if I change that one, oops, it changes all over the place. Which I don't like, to be honest. Delete that texture, so okay. Here we go. It is the same texture. Create texture. Solid template. Texture template. Oh, look at that, dude. What? Oh yeah, true. That's also a way, isn't it? It's not allowing me to. Huh? I've done that before. Why can't I do it now? I'm gonna group them. Look at that. Let's go here. Add a group. Put all of them in the group. Go to the paint. And now put the texture for all of them. Not here though. Now with the group that works. I tried the Control A. But when they were out of a group, that didn't work. I don't know why. So now I need all of it brown. And now, oh, you know where the thing was? Here. That changed it. Look at that. Now I can, yeah, okay. So look. We are on something. Wait. Set a middle one. Click on all of it. Now I need that dude. It still stays there. Anyways. And now I can do this. That's what I was going for. As I said, I'm doing everything the easiest way possible. Right? Just... Later we're gonna make a belt around it. And it will have its own texture. But the head for now? Well, I did it once. I guess I'm gonna do it again. So we have the lighter parts. Now we need some darker parts. Like that. Something like this. Check your DMs. I will right now. Cutter called me a couple of times. Well, I didn't get that. But for now we are good. That's what I was aiming for, so. Let's go a bit darker around here. Like that. You can of course just make a own texture for every part. And you avoid a pattern. But let's see how it looks. I think we should be fine. Something more in the middle. Maybe that's too much. I don't like it. I don't like it. Like it all. Let's pick that color. Hey! That one. Alright. Too much of the lighter parts. They're like screaming. Maybe every now and then, but not that many of those. And this is also too intense, isn't it? This should be that one. So let's go a little bit like that. See? Yeah. Okay. Maybe every now and then from those two, but not that many. It's too intense. Right. Nobody's gonna see it here, but... So... Display, click and select Minecraft skin, then add message as the skin. So. Oh, I need the skin, don't I? We'll do that at the end. That one. Oh yeah. Screenshot Minecraft skin. Username. Feed me. How's that? The same as here. Yeah, it's actually YouTube, of course, the same as here. Confirm. A lot happened. Yeah, I think so. Say more. Oh, that's an A. All right. Oh, that's not bad. We can go with color like this, like the boots. We can go with a color like the boots. All right, let's start over with that. Which color is it though? I'm just gonna screenshot that maybe. Can I get it from here? Yeah, we can make it bigger. Okay. Okay. Let's do a screenshot and then so cut that out. Cut that out. I just need a piece of the shoes. Like that. Save on the desktop. Feed, edit, piece. All right. Open Canva again. You're not Karen. I'm not answering. So. Give me a second. I just opened something. There we go. Add. Upload. Right there. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Because I'm on the other screen. You're calling? Not calling. Oh, you did. Wait, join the call. Alright, I need to see if actually, can you hear me?
Let's see, where's that?
Wait, you're not loud enough. Give me a second. We can actually join voice call on the Foolishcraft Discord if you want, guys. So everybody can actually talk. Should we do that?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. Alright.
Okay, really quick, share your screen over here as well, so we could be live without the whatchamacallit.
Let me
Play.
stop the music first. I need to check. Say something.
Something like a banana.
Okay, stream can hear you too. So, making it bigger is not difficult. I can just take the whole group, go S, and then I can make it bigger. I guess 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's see how that looks. It's too big.
I wasn't actually talking about bigger there. Go ahead and delete everything that you just done.
Oh. Okay. All right.
So basically, over on the. Oh, wait a minute. You already have it at full scale.
Yes, that's why I started making it bigger from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, before that, though, do you see the 3 lines over on the right-hand side? Click on that again.
Uh-huh.
For the display area.
What?
I'm sorry.
I am display.
There's a delay in between what I see
oh,
and
okay.
what you do.
Okay.
And there you can actually have a screenshot mode, first of all.
Mm-hmm.
Which is Control P, it looks like. Second.
Oh, so I don't have to screenshot it. Okay. Yeah?
Yeah, I know. Second, if you hit the Windows key, Shift, and S.
Yeah, then I can drag just a small window. I know, that's why you joined, to tell me how to make screenshots. Tell me how to fix that.
Well, that one right there is the first part. The second part is go back to the editing area.
Yep.
Share your screen on Discord so I can actually have a live view of what you're doing.
Wait.
You're welcome, stream.
Share your screen. I don't know if my computer will actually manage to do all this. So can you see now?
I'll show you, then I'll let you continue on.
No, I'm absolutely fine even if the other people join the voice. It will be much better even for me to
do you see at the
communicate.
bottom where it has the Y? Do you see the bottom where it has the blue, the green, and the red?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, click on the right blue one.
That one.
Yep, click on that.
Uh-huh.
And now I want you to go up to where it says view.
What does it say view? Where?
Top of the thing. It says Blockbench, file, edit, transform.
Oh, view. Okay, the menu. Okay.
And then you want to go down to where it says edit reference images.
Edit reference images. Uh-huh.
Click on the left side box.
A new one. And take that.
Select the image that you were just looking at. Like that one right there.
To this project. Okay.
And then you could do it for the other ones as well.
And what am I supposed to do with that now? Oh, it's just for me to be able to see it. Okay.
That's just for you to look at. And also from here, you could select the colors from there. So it is trying to.
Can I do? Wait, that's the thing then. Wait. I want the other view. How am I supposed to edit it from here?
No, you could edit it later, but if you go to the pin drop, you know what I'm talking about when I say pin drop?
To what?
Okay, do you see the top where you had the brushing? The brush, the
Yeah.
stamp, the
Uh-huh.
pocket. If
Yep.
you go towards two more over there, where it says to the left, top to the right, top in the middle,
What am I looking
towards
for?
the
Just
north,
tell me.
the paint picker. Not the
Yeah,
paint
that
picker,
one.
actually.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then you can pick out the colors from there.
Yeah, I know that. I did it
Now
already.
you can
Yeah.
zoom in with the scroll and stuff like that to take a look at that.
Uh-huh. But I can't
Now to
rotate. I can't
actually
move it. I
now
hate
to
that.
rotate, you're gonna have to on the right. You're gonna have to actually click on the right where okay, the red, green, and blue area. You're gonna have to click on that and move it a little bit. Then you can go ahead and continue to move it from there.
Oh, I can move it from here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, but now it works like before.
But
I
you're
can move
only
it from
able to
here.
see that image
Oh, that's bad.
from the
Okay.
Z-axis.
Okay, that's bad, but we can work with it. If I put it like this, we should be fine. So, how do I open the image display? Where was that? View, not display.
It's
View,
gotta be in
view.
Paint.
Over here. Reference. Open it again. Add to this project. Okay.
Yep.
Nice. Right.
You
Okay.
can have more than one picture there.
What?
You can have more than
Oh,
one picture.
more than one. I can make another one.
I am 80% sure you can.
From here and then open this for the... Yep. 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 From here, I just need that dude. Actually, I think this one.
And ain't you glad I'm here to bug you for this kind of stuff?
Yes. Always. Look at that. Let's
Okay.
paint it all the same color. Whoop. There we go. And then we can pick colors from here for the hat. You know what I mean?
Okay,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go ahead and hang up and let you enjoy the rest of your stream.
You can stay here.
You're like, I want somebody to talk to. I'm lonely.
No, I'm not actually. Chat, but you know stuff, you know? So,
Yeah.
yeah. And Feet could actually also hop in. Actually. So, she could tell me what she wants me to do with this hat. I think I picked the same color here, didn't I? Let's get that one. Is that different? I don't think so. That should be different. It will be fine if I go to the brush, right? This will be helpful. So, here we go. Alright. Alright. I can start the music again. Actually. I can hear you anyways. So. Something like that. Uh-huh. Yeah, a little bit. Feed, hop in the voice chat. We are on the Foolishcraft Discord voice chat. Making it bigger will be a problem though because of those guys. We will work on that. So what will happen if no. So let's pick.
Yeah, that's why I always have the image as big as I can before I start, and I just downscale it.
Yeah. Well, too late for that. Let's go like this, maybe. Something like that. Yeah, I like that. So let's go make another cube. Move it. Resize it. Oh, I can't turn it now. Rotate it. Move it. Come on, stop it. Whoop, nope, I don't want that. I don't, no, go. What did I just do? I don't know what I did. I did something too. Like this? Making the texture just for that dude. Texture 2. So. Paint. To be easier to pick the shades from here. Nope, wait. White. Brush. Then we go with a little bit darker brush. And now we want that one. Let's make it all gray. Oopsie doopsie.
See doopsie.
Oopsie daisy. Alright. Move the dude. So now let's make it all white. It doesn't work this way. So we need it a little bit darker. Let's say on this side. Like that. Is that fine? I think that's okay. Display. I think that's okay. So let's work on the size thing. I have too much hair, feed.
Hey, that's coming from the guy that I thought had gray hair.
You don't even have great hair, gray hair. So
I know. I am beautifully and bald.
So let's mark it out. This could go wrong. All right, we'll see. 1, 2, 3. Fuck it. By the way, I almost said it. 3. You didn't. You know what I'm doing? I'm moving it instead of resizing it. My God. 1, 2, 3. Don't go crazy. Let's just see how that looks. We need to. Is that okay? Why it's so cursed now? Why? What happened with the textures? They didn't. Oh no! Oh, resizing the model doesn't work with the texture thing. Alright, let's go back. Right. That should be another way. But I don't know it.
Yeah, the main issue that Count's having right now, those who are watching, is that he's trying to do the quick and dirty, easy way to get all the textures on there, instead of the proper way that actually makes it look nice.
I just need to texture it again to be the proper way.
Well, you've already had to retexture it once because of the way it was messed up. And then I tried, it's like, you need to do this. He's like, no.
I don't want to texture it again. I don't want to texture it again. There should be a way. feet? How much bigger should that be?
That's what she said.
Stop it! I have a grumpy 3 hours now. I don't need that.
Hey, you're
That from you.
grumpy free, but you're not mad.
I don't need that from you too. I don't know if I'm the problem or all of you guys. I think it's you.
Hey, don't you know crazy attracts crazy?
Ah. Damn. Alright.
So yeah, I'm talking to you guys over here, and I'm also talking to Count over in the stream.
Great. There should be a way. There should be a way.
There is.
No.
The right way.
No. A better way. A quicker way. I don't want to move it. I don't know how to do it. It should be something with the whole file. Texture size. What happens if we go 8?
Oh yeah, I saw that.
What happens if I...
What happens,
Well, I'm
what happens
listening.
if you do what?
Oh, it changed directly. Listen. Let's see what will happen if I do this first. And then I do... This would be too much, but we can work with that. Okay. What does that change? Nothing. Oh, no, come back. Let's go. 364. Whoa.
Villager breeding hall is a training hall. Let's see. Already have 8
Wait.
villagers in there ready for jobs.
Group. And change it now. No, it is on that scale, isn't it? Confirm. Nope, that doesn't work. Ah,
6 for 6.
I don't want to texture it again.
You want it done right?
Ah. I 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's make it the same all size. Now you, my dude, come out of there. Oh no, that's bad. That's bad. Why did that move? You need to be more
That's
careful.
something you want to hear. Or-
Stop it. Stop it. So,
No, that's true though. Would you want to hear why did that move at an abandoned store?
not really, no. Well, now. All we want to do is actually just those. Just that way. And that way.
Yes. Want it that way.
But gonna move that. Alright. And then gonna just move those. Not all of it. I grouped them, didn't I? Nope. Yep. Yeah, we will like this. No. Yep. So what's with the size now? That's better, isn't it?
Better. Way better.
Yeah. Okay. You go back there. Right. Can we see those? Not really. We're fine. Okay. Now you want me to texture it again. I know. Why didn't that work? I don't want that texture to be that big now. Why did that change? I never changed that one. Obviously I did, but... yeah.
Slowly driving the count insane.
No.
Subscribe.
No.
Then we can all torture the count together.
No. Not at all. I need to make a texture first, don't I? Texture 1. Confirm. I need to be careful with the names, because I guess somebody already did that. Alright. Cowboy 1.
Feed me CB1.
What?
Feed me Cowboy 1.
Okay. Feed me Cowboy 1. Confirm. And we are going that color all over the place first. Right. Then we can get something lighter. Oh, that happened again. Come on. I always forget to do that. Okay, now we're good. Oh, bad idea. Bad idea. I need another texture for that guy. For the cube. Right. Paint it that way. Okay, we're fine. Do you see that? Why did I get back to where? What? My dude. I'm fine with that. As long as they're not applying everywhere. So let's get that color.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you one more thing.
Yeah. Tell me why is that happening? What?
What? How'd you make that? I wasn't paying attention.
Exactly the way I did it last time. It's still 1616. And I don't want it 1616. How did I change that last time? Okay, I'm gonna delete it again. So feed me CB1. Right. And I want offer all this group. And that color, paint it. So now we need another texture. Feed me CB2. I want this one smaller scale. And this is just for this cube. Oh, that was too small. That was too small. Too small. Feed me CB2. Let's go 32. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, I know. I feel out what you're doing that's fucking it up so bad.
Stop it. I know exactly how many things I wanna have there. Yes, that's fine. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Alright. Right. And this should be white like this. What do you want from me?
Right, that's okay.
This goes for the whole group. This goes just for this cube. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now I just want to paint the small one. Thank you. Oh, hey DP, I am making myself crazy. That's supposed to be a
That's
cowboy
typically
cat.
my job, so I'm here to help.
Yeah, and Hatta is showing me stuff, and it's getting even more complicated. And because of him, I have to do it the right way, which is not
The
helpful.
right way is sometimes complicated.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Blame Raven.
More than normal, yeah. More than normal. I know.
There he goes. See, the textures are actually showing up nice over there.
Yeah. Come on. Like that. Here we go. A little bit from here. Right. Not going to go crazy with the down part, but at the side at least. Okay. All right. A little bit here. Something on this side. Something on this side. Right. Here. So now we need another color. Let's go with that one. Gonna try
Look on the
like that. Just on the edges, on the sides. Right. No full circle. Like this and like that. Woo! Didn't want to do that. A bit here. This. Surround it. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, but that's starting looking good. Alright, maybe you're right. It's much better now. Maybe. Uh-huh. Oh, I hate it when somebody else is right.
It happens all the time.
No, it doesn't. You creepy laughter.
Hey, I know this laughter is awesome.
Awesomely creepy. So.
You're welcome.
So. You stay here until I'm done. If I stick somewhere again.
I know. I have to help those in need.
Yes.
Especially senior citizens.
Oh, come on. I'm a veteran around here. Oh, I didn't want that. But we need something here though, maybe. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, let's put one here. There is some here. We need to like this. Go away, fly. I can't wait for the summer to really be around, but I know the flies and everything will also be part of it. So a little bit here. This will be hidden though. A bit here, a little bit here, a little bit like that, and like this, here and there, like that. Somewhere else? Can we go to the next color? I think so. Okay, we already got the... That was the more light. Let's go dark a little bit. Yeah. I won't go crazy with it. Just a few. And we also need it like here though. Let's not do it perfect. Let it be broken. Just to give the idea of a belt.
I'm gonna actually send you a color code to put into the center of the white buckle up there. Make it a little more cowboyish, okay?
Alright.
There you go. Send it over in a DM.
Okay, I'll check it when we get there. Right. So now we need to use that color a little bit more. Oh, look at that. We missed the whole spot.
Does he have like a
Like a what?
Does he have a whole chest of diamonds or something for his little bit of mining?
Who? Who had that many diamonds?
Oh no, that was a joke.
Oh. Just a little bit to connect the colors with the rest. So it blended in a little bit more. Right. Especially at the front. Okay. Chat, more than normal. Yeah, we're still there. Okay. Yeah. I think I'll need to just a little bit every now and then. Like that. It's like you got it out of a cow or something.
Wait, got what out of a cow?
Probably. Yeah, actually, yeah. Not from a horse, right? So let's get that. No, I want this one.
Got what out of a cow?
Yeah, of course. I don't know why I was. What else? A horse? Of course, it came out of a cow. Right. I don't know. Feet, are you here? Oh, I need to.
Feet is not there, but I could hear her.
Okay, I need to change that too.
What's your question to feed?
If she likes it up to this point.
Hey, feed. He's wanting to know if you like it so far. Oh, wait a minute.
Something like that. Do I have 4 sides? Yeah. Well, for the most part.
Oh no, feed. He wants to know if you like it so far. He's like, let me look. She says it looks good. You'll see in about a few seconds.
Oh yeah, okay. Good.
Roger that. Thank you. Thank you.
just a little bit everywhere. Like that. Have some here. Have some here. Is here a spot without the dark spots? Nah. Here then.
Say again, Count?
I'm talking to myself.
Okay.
Huh? Just like that. A spot without, yeah, here. Without the dark parts. Ah, I think
We'll
we...
say at the bottom, if you can, make it a darker brown.
Here?
That way it... On the, no, I mean at the actual bottom.
Like here?
No, I mean bottom side.
This side?
There, yes.
Yeah, wait, this won't be
Sorry, I was looking at
visible.
your stream.
Yeah, this won't be visible though.
Yeah, so just make it darker whenever she's holding it and stuff like that, or if it's played on an item stand or something like that, armor stand.
Alright. More shady.
Yep, gotta love shadies.
Shady enough? Okay.
That's good.
So, I needed to check my Discord for color. That's for the white thing?
The stone in front.
Alright.
Yeah, not the entire thing, just a little bit in there.
What is the white thing?
That is
Oh, this type.
the white buckle in front, the jewel.
Alright. Palette, both.
I say just have it sprinkled around.
Where did I give that? I've done that before, but I don't know where it was. Let me copy.
Ancestor has joined the chat.
Copy. Okay. Bigger palette. Where do I give it? The number. Import.
Wait a second. Up there at the top, do you see color?
Oh yeah, I found it. I saw it. The bluish one?
Yeah, that's turquoise.
Okay,
That
I was
is a
thinking.
gemstone that is common with cowboy hats and real cowboy stuff.
Yeah, but I was thinking about green because of the skin.
Yeah,
You know?
you can have it a mixture of both that color and green.
Okay. That means we could go like that for here. Let's pick the green so we can actually have a reference. So,
Maybe a little bit lighter on the green. That green is
very heavy, yeah. Well, I picked it from the skin, so. Let's make it one color and then we'll mix it. So I'll use the blue just for the middle, like for the like a stone.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
I know there should be an easier way. So yeah. Okay, nope, no, that's not what I want to do. Let's go a bit lighter here. Did I change it? I did, didn't I? Something like this? I always forget to switch back to brush. So we need to move that. So this will be the dark part. This will be, so dark goes here. And then light goes here. Maybe up there. I'm not a fan of the upper part. Not really. So let's remove that. Oh no, it makes a square because of the... Right. Well. So that means we could just make this a little bit lighter. And that won't be a square anymore. Yeah. What do you think? Fits with the eyes. Those are the same colors as the boots. And it's definitely made out of cow. From cow. I don't know what's the proper term. Alright. Are we done? Should I add something else? Feet? I don't know if feet can hear me, actually.
Feed's not in the PC.
Well, the stream maybe?
You know, if I actually didn't have, if I wasn't muted, on her left side in the top of the hat, look at that area.
Here?
Yeah, from the top. Scroll in. Now, right there at the edge, that just looks a little bit fugly.
Here?
Right in there, yeah, that looks fugly.
Okay. Then brush. Pick the other color. So let's see now. Better?
Way better.
Oh yeah. And now when you said it, I can see a lot of stuff like that. But we won't go crazy with texture in this, just something like this.
It's not a paid job. This is a free job.
Nah, that not because of that, but I think it will be too much if I start texturing like this, also the small edges. Right. Let's see.
Nothing there can give me.
That should be okay. All right. Waiting for feed.
And that's what you want is a ender pearl.
Who won an ender pearl?
Yeah, no. That's KMZ wanted the ender pearl. He's like, hey Gene, can I get you to get me one? He's like, nope.
Now my question is, when I export it from here, Poetic needs it as this, yeah?
I'm sorry, can you say it? I'm listening to both two conversations
Sorry.
right now. Can you say it again, Mr. Count?
I need to save that for Poetic, because he said base block model, but that's the only way I can save it is BB model. I don't know if it's that the
Yeah,
B
that's what it
is
needs.
is that the extension? Okay,
So save project,
yeah, I
or
can
export.
export of the files. The JSON, he doesn't want that because he
Export in,
yeah, just give me the JSON. I'll get that anyways.
and just send them over the project itself.
Yeah. Okay. Feed. I need to know if you like it.
Okay, he's wanting to know if you like it. She does like it. So, yeah. I might have one pearl somewhere. But I was going to use that to make it into the ender chest.
Okay, so I think we're done here then. Alright? Should we do something else? How long is that stream? I can't see it. Oh yeah, everybody. Very good. Thank you so much, Count. I mean, there is still that I don't like about it, to be honest,
Stream for
but
2 hours.
yeah. Alright, Carter, thanks a lot for the help, mate. You're the best.
Don't worry, man. I saw you struggling.
I'm always struggling. Thanks a lot.
You actually inspire me that I might do one of these streams myself.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's fun, and you can get help if you need some. So,
But of course, I'll do mine over on Twitch.
yeah,
You're
you're a Twitcher. All right, have fun. I guess I'll see you on the server today.
Roger, Roger.
Right? Thanks again. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okie dokie, guys. Yeah, those references to the pictures are pretty cool. I like that. Right? Oh, you can move it here though, just not on the other one, and they stay somehow. I don't know. So everybody, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this should be at least helpful. Probably if you're more talented than me, just using all these, you'll get better results. And yeah, have fun. If you like that stream, smash that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!